Hello. In a previous video I protected this whole worksheet and I allowed this cell here to be changed by the entering a password. That is slightly annoying, certainly a bit fiddly, and is not really a realistic option for a user form or user interaction. I'm going to sheet and I'm going to show you a better way. It features the allow edit ranges feature that I used in a previous video, and the difference is, let's choose it there, price entry. I'm going to use this feature, specify who may edit the range without a password. I go to permissions, I go to add, and here, using a Active Directory type interface, don't worry too much about that, I need to enter a user on this computer to whom I'm going to give permission. This is going to vary so much depending whether you're at work, at home, college, university or wherever. But a safe bet for the user on their own PC at home is to enter this particular role, which is administrator. Okay, and the problem there is that I just haven't quite spelt it correctly. Okay, I go to check names, and that is then prepended with the name of the machine itself, and then I click OK. Permissions for administrator, edit range without a password. Yes, I will allow them to do that. I apply this, I click OK, I apply here. Let's just check this. Right, password. I'm going to just say nothing there just to make sure it does work. Range password, nothing there. Click apply, click OK. Now at the moment the sheet isn't protected, so I go to protect sheet, and then we go through this procedure that you have seen in another video, no doubt, and now this whole sheet is protected. Last time, to enter a value into cell D3, I had to enter a password. Now the hope is I don't have to do that because of the changes I've made to allow edit ranges. Let's give it a go. 150. Bang. But can I write anything in here? I cannot. Now, that's just one cell, but by using the allow edit ranges feature correctly, you could actually open up several cells on a spreadsheet project that you're using on. Okay, thanks very much.